We are here at Short Hills Mall, or at the mall at Short Hills. It's been a while since I've been here. So we're gonna see how many elevators we can get today. We're gonna start with the glass one. So this is the original panel, and this is the new one. UL. I believe this is an Otis based on what many people have said. And it's currently very early in the morning. I'm trying to get this in with the least amount of people possible before we get started. Lower level. One more time, upper level. There is surprisingly no indicator in this elevator. Feels like it's a little bit low on oil. There used to be a fountain, but it's now a seating area when I was here originally. Okay. Here you go. You're welcome. There it goes. That's it.